the people. Deliberating on the common conclusions drawn from common experiences as a socialist, he was to affirm the emphasis on democracy, the need for decentralization, and the realization that means must be morally consistent with ends. A pity Gandhiji was no more, but happily there was Acharya Vinoba Bhave to carry forward JP to a finality of experience, from socialism to Sarvodaya, from the Commissar to the Yogi. Jeevan Dan. JP offered his life in 1954 to the Sarvodaya movement, in affirmation of his faith in Lokniti, politics of the people.
The movement is based on the Gandhian technique of conversion or change of heart, which in turn is based on faith in the innate goodness of man. Everyone, rich or poor, has a part to play in this revolutionary movement.
Having taken up the Jeevan Dan pledge, JP set up an ashram in Sokhodyora, on the border of Gaya district, Bihar. This ashram was a basic work and moral center to train village-level workers. JP's activities now combined social and economic reconstruction with an abiding belief in the need for morality. This morality was to temper the purely materialistic view of life with a total view of life. For JP, the dacoit was a man to be reasoned with. With patience and understanding, JP was able to win over hundreds of outlaws as they laid down their arms. The socialist way of life, in JP's considered opinion, is for all to share together the good things that common endeavor may make available. JP's new understanding and appreciation of the philosophy of Gandhiji brought several strands of his life together, uniting him all the more with his wife Prabhavati. Prabhavati had established the Mahila Charkha Samiti in Patna. Unfortunately, the major strand in JP's life snapped with the death of Prabhavati on April 15, 1973. But it was not to be a lone journey for JP. The youth of India needed him.
छात्र संघर्ष समिति बिहार की उन्होंने इस आंदोलन का प्रारंभ किया था। 18 मार्च से आंदोलन शुरू हुआ, आप जानते हैं। 12 मांगों में से 8 मांगे तो शिक्षा संबंधी थी, 4 ऐसी मांगे थी जो व्यापक थी, समाज के जीवन से, राष्ट्र के जीवन से संबंध रखने वाली, जैसे भ्रष्टाचार दूर हो, महंगाई रोकी जाए, भर्ती रोकी जाए, बेरोजगारी खत्म हो, शिक्षा में आमूल परिवर्तन हो। ये विद्यार्थियों की भी मांग है और सारे समाज की मांग है।
एक आदमी ने उठा रखा है आम आदमी का सवाल। उठो जवान दोस्तों, उठो वतन के लाल, एक आदमी ने उठा रखा है आम आदमी का सवाल।
समाज का परिवर्तन, आर्थिक परिवर्तन, शैक्षणिक परिवर्तन, सांस्कृतिक परिवर्तन, राजनीतिक परिवर्तन, ये सब इसमें आ जाता है। तो इसलिए संपूर्ण क्रांति ही इसका उद्देश्य है।
JP had a new mission. Freedom had to gain a new meaning. Democracy had to find its new dimensions. Nothing could hold him back.